Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. Connect your iPhone with a good Lightning or USB-C cable to the computer. Unlock the phone and tap Trust. Enter your passcode so the device grants access. Once done, choose the app on your computer, Photos on Mac, File Explorer on Windows, or your preferred import tool, and point it at an existing folder or create a new one for organization. Make sure the iPhone stays unlocked during the initial handshake to avoid connection dropouts. Now select the photos you want to move. On Mac, open Photos, click Import, then pick Items and choose Import Selected or Import All. You can change the destination album. On Windows, open this PC, find iPhone DSIM, and copy folders or drag individual files to your chosen folder. If you prefer wireless, enable iCloud Photos on both devices and let images sync over Wi-Fi. This avoids cables but may take longer and use iCloud storage. Adjust HEIC or JPEG settings if needed. Finally, verify the import. Open a few photos to confirm thumbnails, timestamps, and file sizes look right. Once satisfied, safely eject the iPhone before unplugging to prevent data corruption. Immediately make a backup. Copy the photos to an external drive or upload them to cloud storage for redundancy. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Try a different cable, restart both devices, and update the computer's drivers or Mac OS. Those 3 quick fixes resolve most detection or transfer failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.